Hello everyone, I am Dr. Santosh Matapati, Consultant Cancer Surgeon at KLES Dr. Prabhakar Kore Hospital, Belgavi. Today I am here to discuss something about cancer treatment and the present situation, that is Corona pandemic. Presently, because of the pandemic, the people are worried about Corona infection so much so that they are in a dilemma and confused about treatment of cancer, that is whether they should get the treatment done right now or they should wait for the pandemic to get over. But let me warn you, not all cancers behave as the same. Few cancers, they grow rapidly, which require immediate treatment, and there are some cancers which can wait for some time. That's the reason the decision of treating the cancer should be based upon the communication between the patient as well as their doctor or the oncologist. The common understanding is that the cancers which are detected early and are treated early, they have a better survival. At the same time, they have a better treatment outcomes. That is, most of these early cancers require only single modality of treatment, that is either surgery, radiation or chemotherapy. Whereas cancers which are detected at a later stage requires all three forms of treatment, which in turn increase the risk of side effects due to the cancer treatment. So to detect the cancers early, we need to know which are the warning signs which indicate the presence of a cancer. In an adult, certain warning signs: an ulcer or a wound which does not heal, abnormal discharge or bleeding, presence of lump anywhere in the body, abnormal loss of weight and appetite are the certain things which tell yes, this can be a cancer. Whereas in children, the signs would be a white spot in the eye, bulging of eyes, a squint, unexplained fever, weight loss, bleeding, pain in the bones, joints or back, easy fractures. Other signs like presence of a lump anywhere in the body or regression of developmental milestones, continuous headache are the certain signs in the cancer patients at the increased risk of developing COVID infection. Cancer patients are not at the increased risk of developing infection, but because of the cancer or because of the cancer treatment, they tend to develop more severe forms of disease if they develop any infection. The reason for this is associated comorbidities like old age, asthma, chronic lung diseases, patients on chemotherapy, immunotherapy, bone marrow transplants, people on steroids. The common concern among the people is if they are having cancer, should they get their chemotherapy and radiotherapy done immediately or they should wait? So for the answer for this is ideally the chemotherapy and radiotherapy should not be delayed at all, especially in the presence of earlier disease, because this provides the best chance of cure. But for the sake of Corona pandemic, the treatment modalities can be modified, as in the intravenous chemotherapy can be converted to oral form. Chemotherapy schedules can be made into shorter intervals, and the same with radiation, where the schedule can be altered so that the patient doesn't have to visit the hospital frequently. The other question is if the patient of cancer can undergo surgery immediately or should he wait for the pandemic to get over. So cancer treatment is a semi-emergency situation. So ideally, any patient who requires an emergent or an urgent surgery should discuss with his surgeon regarding the further treatment, because the decision of surgery should be based on how urgent the situation is and what are the adverse effects by delaying the cancer surgery. Generally, in cancers like breast cancer, colon cancer, ovarian cancer, head and neck cancers, in an early stage should undergo immediate surgery as it offers the best form of treatment. Cancers like esophageal, gastric, or rectal cancers can be diverted to preoperative chemoradiation and then surgery at a later date. And certain cancers like prostate cancers or cervical cancers, where the treatment outcome is same with surgery or with radiation, they can be referred for radiotherapy. Okay. The other concern is, whenever the cancer patient is visiting hospital, what are the precautions they should take? Yes, whenever the patient is coming for a hospital visit, he should be accompanied by only one attender. He should be carrying as minimal documents, files and scans as possible. They should avoid common places like the lobby, pharmacies, canteens, so as to maintain the social distancing. They should avoid unnecessary interaction with other patients or relatives if possible. They should always wear masks, face shields or gloves. They should strictly follow hand washing and sanitization. So these are the important precautions they should take whenever they visit a hospital. The other important question is, if any cancer patient is diagnosed of COVID positivity or corona, what he should do? Again, the answer to this is depending upon the urgency of the situation. In case a cancer with a corona positive patient in a situation which is not an emergency, it is usually delayed for 3 to 4 weeks so that the active infection is resolved, and after 3 weeks we do repeat the tests if they are negative and we carry on with the cancer treatment. The last concern is, what about the patients who have already been treated with cancer? So let me tell you, patients who already underwent treatment because of cancer, they should maintain their social distancing and follow certain precautions. For example, patients who underwent chemotherapy and radiotherapy, because of the treatment, they are at a weaker immune status. Hence, they tend to develop severe infection. That's the reason these patients should always follow the general guidelines of COVID. Try to identify these early signs of cancer and pay a visit to your doctor so that your treatment can be modified accordingly. Thank you.